So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide all of your Facebook photos at once. It's pretty quick and easier, it's just one tap of the button and you can hide all of your posts and photos and everything from your timeline. So let's open up the Facebook app, go to menu, then you have to scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy and then tap on setting again and then move on to scroll down to under privacy you can see profile and tagging. Click on that and then under tagging you can see who can see post your tag in on your profile. Just tap on that and then they will give you different options and you can just tap on only me. That means any photo on your timeline including photos and everything their photos that there I have been tagged in or I post to myself only I will be able to see. Now this is hidden from everyone else. So guys, this is how you can easily hide all of your Facebook photos at once.